Benz E200 Coupe. Install 70mm DVR A810S. Okay, got a 4G version. 70mm 4G SIM slot. Okay. 70mm 4G hardwire kit. 停车监控的电源。A810 HDR Dashcam set. It's a micro SD slot, a power and a rear camera. Okay, now is the rear camera view, front camera view. Okay, setting, system setting or video setting. It's got a Wi-Fi connect. And multi-language. Okay, you have to connect Wi-Fi on your phone. So on your phone, you have to download 70my app. Okay, now it's connect 4G online. It's got green color. A green color. It show for the green color. Green color light is for 4G online. If shining red color or shining green color is not connect yet, full green light is connected. Okay, this is connected. So after connected, a DVR will show mobile phone apps is connected. Recording is continuous. Okay, now it's connected. Recording view, you can control on your app setting. So you can do a setting here. Each video you want to save 1 minute, 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay, the video, the resolution, and you want a 70my logo watermark, HDR on off. All the setting you can set from the app. This is a front, this is a rear camera, a front camera. Okay, another one, a back. So okay, now it's disconnect for the app setting, but the 4G is turned on. Okay, 4G online. So it's got a, after install hard wiring kit, you can view your 70my DVR record when you off your engine. Example, if you in your office, then your car parking in your parking area, so got a 4G can online, you can view for your car. So you can press for the view icon, 远程遥控. This view icon is when you off engine you can function it. You can view your car DVR. So this is 4G SIM in 4K HDR 70my DVR, two-way DVR, A front is 4K, the rear is 1080p. Installed by One Bis.